La 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 la. Damn! It's like blowing air from that. What's the time? 4:30. It's time for a ride. Let's get ready. Welcome back to the channel, everyone. I hope you guys are absolutely fine. No, I did not sleep with my gear on. This was just for a good start. The time right now is 6:30. I was supposed to be at Nathan's place by 6:30. So I'll see you guys. I'll talk to you guys on the bike and we'll discuss where we are headed to today on the bike. In 3, 2, 1. Let's go. A very good morning to everyone. So today we have Nathan and Abdul. We are headed to Kakulim Beach. The weather right now is pleasant. It's not too hot, it's not too cold. It's just perfect for the ride. It's gonna be a good day. So this video will include the directions to Kakulim Beach, the beautiful sceneries and spots we saw, and the fun which we absolutely had on the beach. It's gonna be a good day. Stay tuned. So if you are planning to go to this place from Panjim, you will have to go to Madgaon first. And right now I am on the Zuari bridge. Oh my god, the roads are bad. Roads are bad. Roads are bad. Anyways, standing up on the bike solves all the problem. So I am right now on the Zuari bridge, and the Zuari bridge connects Panjim to Madgaon. Just entering this fuel station to fill up and put some air in our bikes. Okay, so we have made our first stop to put fuel, to put air. I'll see you guys.
No! God, please, no! No! No!
Okay, so we are almost close to the Verna Industrial Estate. So straight is Madgaon, right is Dabolim Airport. We have to go straight. Wearing helmet and all, huh? Good boy, good boy.
To get off that darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too. When you want to get off the darkest ground.
Continuing on the road straight, you will see an intersection. At the left there will be a Honda showroom. Straight Madgaon, left Wanda, Arlem, and right is Panjim bypass. So you have to take left and go to the Arlem road to enter into city of Madgaon.
Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers.
So that is the Pepsi factory, and this is the main intersection of Madgaon. So that is the Pepsi factory. This is the Madgaon intersection. And we have just taken a stop to check on Google where the location is. We have to take this left road and let's see where it goes now. So after continuing on the road, you will reach the railway station. Railway station at the right, and we have to go a little bit ahead of that and take a right. And after railway station, you have to take this. So the railway station is over there, back at the circle, and we took this right, and we are headed inside on this interior road of Goa. So update, after 15 minutes we reached this intersection, and now we have to take a left. There is a church on the left, just it can act as a landmark to you to remember this left turn.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you.
Dun, dun, dun.
Stop it. Get some help.
So after half an hour continuing at that road, we took a right at this intersection. I don't know where this intersection is, but there is a chapel on the right and there is like a bus stop at the left.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Clear sky.
So we have to take a left from here. There was a Betul Fort sign at the saying go to the right.
The place is just too beautiful, dude. Yeah, no?
So apparently Google Baba told us to wait at that place on the road, saying that this is the beach, and we don't really know the location. So let's just get down and ask this guy where Kakolem beach is.
Thank you.
Okay, so what he says is we were at the correct spot on that road, but apparently I think like there's no road to the beach, and he says that there is like a downward slope which we call Deuti in Konkani. So let's just go back and see if there is some road over there. Whoa, there is no road. I think we have to take this trail. That means, baby, stand on the bike and ride. Arey. The trails are actually difficult to take because we are just used to riding on the street, so this feels a little bit uncomfortable to us, but it is fun actually. I personally enjoy going off-roads with my bike. I don't know why, I just like it too much. ये कहाँ आ गए हम, बोलो कहाँ. Bro, ये तो जंगल है. I see the beach. Okay. You can see that beach over there. Oh damn, where is this road taking us to, man?
Huh? It's too crazy, no? It's too much.
Yeah, so go back. Why you came down? Forward.
I don't know.
So apparently we are stuck over here and we have to turn this bike all the way around and take it on top because there is no road up front.
Yeah?
Down by bike. But you have to help me.
Okay, so we were riding and we thought the street is going to be a good way, but it turns out it's very bad in front. Let's just go back. We are stuck. My god. Let's just take that challenge. Yeah. Oh man. So Nathan and me have taken the bike on top. Now we have to help Abdul because he's stuck. Arey, hey, take photos later. Save your bike first. Show me. We have parked everyone's bike safely on top, and now we have to walk down. But walking with a jacket and a helmet is just too stressful. Live life, love life. Walking with a helmet,
I thought you were, huh?
3 kilos of jacket and a bag. It's no joke. We have made it over to the beach. It's a long walk, but it is worth it. Just look at it. Deutschland, if you're watching this video, the first thing you will do when you get over here is, Arey bro, we'll go climb those rocks, bro. I will click picture over there, bro.
One of the rocks.
And Nathan will be, nah bro, stamina na re bro. Oh shit. Mosti. Hey, we'll take V video. V video. Arey.
When you want to get off the darkest ground, but gravity pulls you straight down. Earth from a bird's eye view. You should grow feathers and see this too.
Okay, so we have made it over back. The time right now is 2:30. We have made it back home. The ride was actually very nice. We had lots of fun. The roads are nice. The roads are beautiful. It's like somewhat the feeling of going to Chorla Ghat. So the roads are very nice and you'll enjoy the roads. If you're a true diehard biker, you will absolutely enjoy those roads. The beach is also nice. The beach is clean. The spot is also very scenic. There's lots of space. You can't swim at the beach because when we went over there, the beach was too deep, and if you're good at swimming, you can try going for a swim, but the waves were too hard today and I think it will be a little bit difficult for swimming there safely. But overall the beach has a very good and beautiful scenic location. You can do lots of fun on it. You can play frisbee, football, you can click good pictures. It's a very good beach. And we got ourselves some souvenirs from the beach. Kakulim Beach, 4-10-20. Yeah, no? 4-10-20. It was a good day. So if you're planning to come to this location with your car, you will have to park your car on the street and walk all the way to the beach. Because yes, in case you have a Thar or a Isuzu, you can take your Thar or a Isuzu off-roading, and it doesn't matter if it gets scratched. The car is meant for that. But if you have like a hatchback or something like a Maruti, you will have to park it outside and walk down to the beach. It's a long walk, but you won't be carrying gear and helmet, so I think you'll be comfortable with it. And if you're coming with a bike, we would suggest you that you find some storage space for your gear and your helmet. We did it. We took the gear and helmet and we walked all the way down and came all the way back on top. It was a little tiring. Like when I came all the way on top, I had to sit for 10 minutes just to get my breathing and heart rate to a normal and a okay level. So if you're good with exercise, and I think it will be all right. And so if you watch this video till here, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to Smokey's Garage. Let us know in the comments which area, which location we should cover next. Stay tuned to Smokey's Garage.